This is a quick turnaround. It was, 5 years ago that we saw them exiting a lot of their businesses in this part of the world. What's driving the new enthusiasm?
Heidi, that's a great question. As you say, it was just 5 years ago that Just Daily trimmed its businesses in this part of the world. But Barclays is now saying that the business itself is very different to what it looked like in 2016. They've been through that restructuring phase, and it's now time to get back into these markets that are more profitable. And you know that they're following other banks into the market as well. But the head of Asia Pacific, who we interviewed, said that the business is very different now. We're profitable in the region, and he fully expects that to continue in 2022. So they're making big investments. We're talking about in India, for example, a $400 million investment in hiring in wealth management and in other areas of the bank as well. They are smaller in China, but they are ramping up in some of the other countries in the region.
As you said, other banks are beefing up their presence as well. HSBC, Standard Chartered. So Barclays will be facing some tough competition.
That is absolutely right, Sherry. And it's not just those two. I mean, those two banks that you mentioned, Standard Chartered, HSBC, are definitely beefing up in the region. But you've got the likes of JP Morgan, Citigroup coming into the region as well, focusing more and more on China as the Chinese president opens up that economy, which is a multiple trillion-dollar economy and a multi-trillion-dollar business for the banks in that region.